Hi, I wanted to show you how to use the AI mock interviewer to practice for different companies. So let's try data structures and algorithms interviews for now. We open this link. Right now there are two questions, two interview sets actually, and I will be adding more and more interview sets as we go along. So I want to, let's suppose I'm preparing for Amazon and I want to select a set which has been used in Amazon. So let's try this question, very famous question, least recently used cache. So click on the question. This is problem statement for just the first problem. So let's start the interview. Yes, I am using Google Chrome, so I am fine. So now the interview has started, and as soon as the interview starts, you will see that we will do, basically it's not just a single question. It follows the exact interview formats that is followed because we are basically using the same kind of set that is used in Amazon interviews. So they are going, the interviewer, AI interviewer is going to ask 1 to DSA questions. Start speaking. Yeah, let's start. Okay, so now it wants me to implement a doubly linked list with these features. Yeah, we can start with a class. Let's call it node, and it will have basically a int value, and it will have previous and next nodes. And then there is going to be a head and tail pointer. So these are the things, basic classes which I am going to start with. So what do you think? Yeah, so as you see, as soon as I put the node and then I put two global nodes head and tail, so it quickly figured out that I am trying to use a dummy head and tail. So it asks why are we using that. So I'm not going to go through the whole interview in this case. I just wanted to show you how this all is going to work. So it asks questions and then you answer, and based on your answers, it asks counter questions. Okay, and basically the same way that it proceeds in the interviews. So right now it replies only in text. I plan to add the voice later, but that is not really important as you will see with experience. So let's end the interview now and it can give me an assessment. So let's see. So it is going to end the interview and then it is going to say how I did. So right now I didn't do very well because I just ended the interview as soon as it started. So right now it's preparing an assessment and then it will take me to the page. Yeah. So overall verdict, it has given average, so higher with reservations, and then it's a short summary and then there is a long summary. Basically I didn't discuss anything, so it has given like something like no algorithms or operations were implemented, so no complexity analysis was provided. So this is the larger summary. So this will help you understand what you did well, what you didn't do well. So this is how the overall interviewer is going to work. Again, there are low level design questions as well, and there will be more low level design questions in future very soon. I'm going to add them so you can practice both DS and Algo and low level design questions with the AI interviewer. And one more thing, uh, once there are only two sets for now, but if you click a company tag here, it will refine only the sets or fetch only the sets which belong to this particular company. So as more and more questions will be added, you will see more and more sets, interview sets listed here. Thanks a lot.